Six step. Everybody should know a six step at some point in your breaking career. We're gonna break it into two halves and we're gonna do a lightning fast. Stay with me. First, we're gonna bunny hop. I'm gonna go leg chop, then I'm gonna step back. I return and return. Let's do the other side. Chop, step back, return, return. Chop, step back, return, return, and chop, step back, return, return. Now let's do the back half. Back half is in push-up position. Cross under the bridge, hook behind, step back, back to push-up. Cross under the bridge, hook behind, step back, back to push-up. Faster, boom, 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 boom. Cross, hook, and back, and back. Glue it all together, front half and back half. Chop, step back, push-up. Cross under the bridge, hook behind, unwind. That's a six step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six step, don't forget it, remember forever.